action, let's go. 저 건물을 찾으러.
Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you can tell them. Just made a million, got another million on my schedule. No love for 'em, they can break it hard. No keys, push to start. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's nothing. When I pulled on the lot, that's nothing. Back in my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down.
So today we will teach you about chapter 3
compound interest,
and chapter 4
annuity.
so you guys can understand about it better. So about chapter 3, what is the formula for this chapter? Well, it will be two formulas. So there will be two formulas in chapter 3. It is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I n squared, and another one is I equal to S minus P. I will explain to you the formula 1. What is S? S is future value and P is the first value, while I is K per M. The K here is compound interest. And M here will be frequency. The N here is referred to M times T, and the T is time. If you want to find the total amount, you would use this formula. Well, this formula, you can use it if you want to find the interest earned. So let me show you the question example.
Okay, we look at the situation 10 years ago. Find the value of S. So we will find the answer for this question. Okay, first 10 years. It is a T. So T is 10. RMS. This is a first value, so it will become a P. Interest rate. This will become K. So K equal 7%. Compound annually. This is a frequency. Annually equal to 1. So M equal 1. Okay. The last is S. This is a future value. So to answer this question, we will continue to this one. So all of the information we get from the situation, we will insert to this formula. I is K per M. K per M. So K will be like this and will per with M. N is M time with T and will become this. So After I calculate in my calculator, the answer is x equal 7999.99, and I will round out this answer and it will become 8,000. So this is the answer for question first. So we will go to the next question. The question is, find the future value of RM 3400 invested for 30 months at 6.3% compounded monthly. Calculate the total interest rate. For this question, we will use the next formula. The formula is R equal S minus P. Okay. First, we get the P face value. Okay, but we don't get a future value. So first, we must find the future value. S equal P plus I. I is K per M. So K will be like this, per with M. And this one is be M time with T. This is 30 months, and we don't want it. We want in a year. So it will become 30 per 12. So we will solve it in a calculator. So the answer for this S is, so we must find the future value. Now we continue with this formula. I equal S minus P. Okay, this we write down this, and minus with P. So we will get the new answer. So the answer is 578.34. This is the final answer. I hope you understand what I was explaining to you. Thank you.
The next one is chapter 4, which is annuity. So for this chapter, there will be also two formulas. That is A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I negative n square per I. When will we use this formula? We use the formula when the question is talking about loan or borrow. The next formula is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I n square minus 1 per I. We use this formula when the question talking about invest and deposit. So my teammates will give you the example of the question.
Let's begin to the next topic. This is first question for chapter 4. Question 1. So the question is, find the amount in the account at the end of 6 years. Okay. So first of all, we need to list all of the information at the end. So this is 1000, which is R. R is periodic payment every month into an account at 8%. 8% is K. Compounded money. So this is M. M equal to 12. 6 years is T. So we need to list first. I already list all the information based on the question. So what formula should we use? As we can see at here, it mentioned about deposit. Automatically we use this formula. We use this formula. So we just need to put all the information to the formula. So what it says, we don't know, right? So we just put this, we just put S at here. So there are it given, right? So 1000. Bracket 1 plus I is K per M, right? So K 0.08 per 12. Then minus 1. I almost forgot. Square M. N is M times T. This 12 times 6. Minus 1. 0.08 per 12. Then plus is bracket. So I need to calculate this first with my calculator. What I got? This is what I got. So this is the accumulated amount for question 1. Okay, next for question 2. First row, calculate the monthly payment. Before that, we need to list all the information given based on the question. Okay. I like borrow 25,000. So this is A because it mentioned about borrow, right? So A equal to 25,000 for his college expenses, and he agreed to settle the loan in 108. So 108 money, this is T. Payments at 5.5%. So this is K. Compounded money. So the frequency is stop. So all the information has been listed at here. So we need to use borrow or loan formula. So this is the formula. You need to memorize it. Okay? So all I need to do is to put all the information in the formula right now. A 25,000 equal to R is not given at here. No. R are not given at here. So we just put R here. Then bracket 1 plus 1 plus I equal to K per M, right? So K, we need to change it to point 0.055 per 12, and then negative square negative 12 t times 108 per 12. Why per 12? It is because in months, right? So in months it has 12 months. So we put 12 at here. Then per 0.055 per 12, and the last one is bracket, don't forget. Okay. I need to calculate all of this. So the answer is R equal to 294 based on what I calculated. Done for row 1. Next, second row. If Isaac decided to pay off his loan immediately after making the 84th payment, calculate the amount to be settled. So, as you can see here, Isaac decided to pay off his loan immediately. So, what formula should we use? Of course the same, right? So we use this formula. We still use the same formula. Then, after making the 84th payment, when we look the question, the total monthly payment is 108, right? But he already making the 84th payment, so we need to use minus 108 minus 84 equals 24. So this is the new T. Yeah. The new T. So we just put all the information that has been listed at here, but we just change the T. Okay. So A. After we got the new T, then we need to calculate, we need to find the amount. So means we need to find how much he borrowed. So which is A. Yeah. First of all, we need to put all the information that we got. Okay. We don't have A. A equals to R. R is 294. We got recently, right? So bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I refer to K per M, right? So K is 5.5%. We need to change it to point, which is 0.0554 M12. Then bracket, then negative squaring. As we know, N is M times D, right? So negative M12, then times D. What is our new D? 24. So we put it here. 24. Then 0.055412. Wait. Something like missing. Yeah. 24 per 12. Because in months, right? So I need to find the answer first in calculator. The answer is, finally, I got the answer.
You already know about chapter 3 and chapter 4, right? I hope all of you learned something new from us. That's all for now. Thank
Thank
you.